Self-confidence can be fragile at times because there are things we can do to develop stronger self-confidence and generally feel more confident in ourselves. Visualize what you want to be in your mind's eye. Make a picture of you oozing self-confidence and then turn the sound up, boost the colours, make everything larger than life and then step into that image. Go on, try it. And if you don't find that idea easy, well, Photoshop your new you on your phone or with a techie friend. Send your inner critic off somewhere. Give it instructions for it to stay there. Our inner critics are often our own worst enemy. And do everything you can to send them off to oblivion, never to return, or at least not for a while. And then dress for success. It's not just a cliche. You look good, chances are you'll feel good, which, well, in turn will strengthen your self-confidence. Drown out your negative thoughts, and then when they appear, turn up the music, or literally or metaphorically stick your fingers in your ears and just go la la la, something meaningless. Be prepared, because preparation can give you the confidence that you know you're ready for whatever it is to happen. Slow down. Nervous people tend to talk fast, always assuming they talk at all. Pace your speaking, take natural deep breaths and generally chill out. Smile a lot more. Smiling's infectious, random people will smile back at you. Which in turn turns into a virtuous circle of more happiness, more confidence, so don't beat yourself up. And you can't be supremely confident 100% of the time because no one is. But you can work towards being more confident more often, which will help you develop stronger self-confidence in yourself. And you can get more help by clicking the link below this video. That'll help train your brain to be more confident.